in this guide, I'm going to show you how you can unlink Fall Guys from your Epic Games account. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, the first thing that you're going to need to do is close out of Fall Guys if you do have it open, and on a separate tab or a separate device, go ahead and head to epicgames.com on a web browser. I'm using Google Chrome for this, and I'm already signed in, but once you do get to epicgames.com, sign into your Epic account up in the top right, and then from here, select on your profile picture and hit account just like so. Wait for it to load. It may take a little bit of time, but go ahead and look on the left-hand sidebar, and you're looking for this linked account section right here. Sometimes it's called connections as well. Go ahead and select that, and what you're going to want to do is find all of the connected platforms such as PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo, Steam. Now, to unlink Fall Guys from a platform, go ahead and find whatever platform it is. I actually have it through Steam right now. So I essentially just need to hit unlink on this page right here, and then it's going to, of course, unlink that and disconnect Fall Guys from that account. Now, if you want to link that platform to a different Epic account, sign out, log into your other Epic account, go back to this connections and linked accounts page, and then go to accounts, and then, of course, click connect under that exact same platform. However, just keep in mind unlinking may affect progress, purchases, and cosmetics, so make sure you understand which Epic account actually holds your main progress before disconnecting. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on as well. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.